If you want to install Dynamic Island on Google Pixel 9a, then in that case we need to go to the Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, we can search for an app that is called, for example, Dynamic Spot. I believe there are multiple different apps that actually provide the Dynamic Island, but I think this one is one of the best ones. So let's install it. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, how it works, how to set it up. And yeah, and if you like it, then of course you can just enjoy it. And if not, then you can try to download any other app that works in a similar way. So once you open the app, let's go next. And then over here we have the instructions. We need to set it up. First, we need to go to select apps, and we can choose apps that will be synchronized with the Dynamic Island. So apps that will appear on the Dynamic Island. You can choose one by one whatever you wish to have, or you can simply press all over here in the top right corner to select everything. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do just that. Then we can go back. Now over here we have notification access. We need to grant the access to notifications. So over here we need to tap on Dynamic Spot, and we need to allow the access. There we go. Then we have draw on screen, so tap on this option and press allow, and then tap again and go next. Once you are redirected to accessibility, select the Dynamic Spot app, select that you want to use it, allow, and there we go. Then we can press done. Over here we can tap on this X in order to close this ad. And pretty much the Dynamic Island is ready to go. However, before you just continue using your phone, you can also go to position in order to take a look how it looks like, and of course you can customize as well. I believe that this Dynamic Island is a little bit too small, so I can change the size and make it a little bit wider, let's say something like this. In some cases, at least in some phones, you also have to change, for example, the position by moving it up or down or something. However, in this case, I actually believe it is in a pretty good spot, so there is no need to adjust it. So that's about it. Of course, you can choose your own position and size and etc. You can adjust edge rounding and so on. So it's up to personal preference, of course, after all. So that's about it. So this is how it looks like. And now if anything happens, let's actually go to the list first of the apps. And then over here, once you go to notifications, we can go to apps in order to once again manage these apps in case you want to adjust them. And whatever happens, or if anything happens, like if you receive a notification or something from any of these apps that you have selected over here, then you will see Dynamic Island right at the top. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.